I'm Dechen Keldon, and I'm SFT's Development Coordinator. I have been involved with SFT for over half my life now. I've run chapters in my middle school, in my high school, and in my college. I'm here today to bring you a special announcement. We're doing a new challenge called 108 for Tibet to appeal to 108 new monthly donors. Sustaining donors are the backbone of SFT, creating a consistent source of support to help us accomplish this important work for Tibet. In just 6 months, I've seen SFT accomplish so many victories for the Tibetan Freedom Movement, and with minimal resources, we've been able to produce real results. SFT has always been important to me because we're answering a call from Tibetans inside of Tibet who are risking everything just to share information with us. We are amplifying their voices and making sure that they're heard. SFT has also been a really incredible experience for me because we have actual chapters at universities and high schools in the US and internationally. There is an actual chapter with members teaching our peers and oftentimes our teachers about what's happening in Tibet. I've never seen another instance where something like that has happened for us. We are our own advocates, and SFT provides that sense of stability for so many young Tibetans and Tibet supporters. I understand that these are difficult times, and that's exactly why we're asking you to join 108 for Tibet by making small monthly donations instead of a big one-time donation. If you donate $15 a month, that's about 50 cents a day. If you believe in the cause of Tibet, please consider joining 108 for Tibet today. I know that there are many more victories for Tibet on the horizon, and I know that we will turn your donations into action. Thank you so much for your time. Please click the link in our caption to sign up now.